Which of the following is a presentation graphics software? MS Windows, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Word. Special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are known as transitions, effects, custom animations, annotations. Objects on the slide that hold text are called placeholders, object holders, auto layouts, text holders. Which of the following provides a printed copy of your presentation? Outline, speaker notes, audience handouts, all of the above. What is the name of PowerPoint in LibreOffice? Draw, Impress, Calc, Writer. Which of the following you can use to organize or shorten slides? Slide pane, slide sorter view, both A and B, none of these. Slide transitions are effects which perform beginning of presentation, when move from one slide to next, when we click inside the object of a slide, at the end of the presentation. To remove the slide transition we apply the following: split transition, none transition, wipe transition, push transition. Which alignment is not available on LibreOffice Impress? Central alignment, left alignment, right alignment, justify alignment. In which menu the macros command is found in LibreOffice Impress? Insert, Slide, Tools, none of these.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम ट्रिपल सी के कुछ ऐसे एमसीक्यूएस लेकर आए हैं जो आपकी तैयारी को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। ये सारे सवाल एंकी डेक फॉर्मेट में उपलब्ध हैं ताकि आप बार बार तेजी से रिवाइज कर सकें। अगर आप पहली बार ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं और एंकी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन जरूर पढ़ें, वहां आपको पूरी जानकारी मिलेगी। अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन सेट पसंद आता है और आप इसे खरीदना चाहते हैं तो हमें टेलीग्राम चैनल 8xcmcqs पर कॉन्टैक्ट करें। और अगर आपको किसी सवाल या जवाब में कोई गलती लगे तो कृपया कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइम स्टैम्प के साथ लिखें। साथ ही कमेंट सेक्शन जरूर चेक करें, हो सकता है वहां पहले से सुधार दिया गया हो। हर हफ्ते हम नए एमसीक्यू लाते हैं, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
What kind of program is LibreOffice Impress? Spreadsheet, word processing, presentation, none of these. What is the default name of presentation in LibreOffice Impress? SHW1, Slide 1, Presentation 1, Untitled 1. Which shortcut key is used for adding new slides to the presentation of LibreOffice Impress? Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus N, Ctrl plus M, None of these. Which file format cannot be added in LibreOffice Impress? JPEG, HTML, GIF, WAV. What is the minimum zoom in LibreOffice Impress? 5%, 15%, 10%, 20%. LibreOffice Impress has a file extension, .ppt, pptx, .odt, .odp, .odds. Which extension is associated with the LibreOffice Impress file? First, .wrt, .odds, .odp. Which shortcut key is used to exit from presentation in LibreOffice Impress? Ctrl+Q, Ctrl+W, Shift+C, none of these. What is default orientation of slide in LibreOffice Impress? Portrait, landscape, horizontal, vertical. Which of the following option is not available on Presentation Wizard? Empty presentation, form template, open new presentation, open existing presentation. Which of the following is not a part of main Impress window? Slides pane, workspace, work pane, task pane. Which of the following is not a section of tasks pane of LibreImpress? Master pages, layouts, custom view, custom animation. Which view is generally used for creating, formatting and designing slides? Normal view, outline view, notes, slide sorter view. Which shortcut key is used to exit from running presentation in LibreImpress? Space bar, end key, break key, ESC key. Which of the following features is used to create a new slideshow with the current slides but presented in a different order? Rehearsal, custom slideshow, slideshow setup, slideshow view. Which of the following features is used to run the slideshow automatically while speaking on the topic? Custom animation, rehearse timing, slide transition, either A or B. What is the extension of LibreOffice Impress? ODT, ODDS, ODP, ODI. Which shortcut key is used to run presentation in LibreOffice Impress? F5, Shift+F5, Control+F. None. Which shortcut key is used to move next slide in LibreOffice Impress? Page up, page down, Control plus down arrow, End key. Which shortcut key is used to jump at the first slide? Page up, page down, Home, End. Which shortcut key is used to insert a new slide in a presentation? Control plus N, Control plus M, Alt plus N, Alt plus M. Which objects can be added into the presentation? Picture, not movie, movie but not picture, both movie and picture, neither of the above. How much is the minimum zoom size in LibreOffice Impress? 5%, 15%, 10%, 20%. Shortcut key for new slide in LibreOffice Impress. Control plus N, Control plus M, Control plus D, all. What is the shortcut key for PPT slideshow? F5, Shift plus F5, Control plus F5, F4. In LibreOffice Impress, slide sorter is found in which menu? View, Insert, Slideshow, Format. What is the shortcut key to go the next slide in LibreOffice Impress? Page up, page down, Home, End. What is the maximum zoom in LibreOffice Impress? 300%, 3000%, 400%, 500%. In which menu is the master slide function found in LibreOffice Impress? Slideshow, Slide, Format, Tools. What is a presentation in the LibreOffice? Calc, Impress, Writer, none. What would you choose to do show preview in PowerPoint? Home tab, Slideshow, Design, all of the above. The presentation is seen on the computer or a projection screen in the form of slides, pages, papers, handouts. Animation decides the way of the slides appear, the items in the slide appear, The text looks, the slides look. Which of the following are features of presentation software? Graphics, templates, spell checker, thesaurus. Password protection, restricted areas, version control. Accessibility, multimedia, hyperlinks, updated. Animation of. How many sections in the sidebar of Impress? 3, 5, 7, 9. Presentation designs regulate the formatting and layout for the slide and are commonly called design templates, templates, placeholders, blueprints. Thumbnail pictures of slides contained in slide pane, sub-slide pane, window pane, slides pane. You have created a PowerPoint presentation that you want to embed on web page. A site that enables you to do that is PPTme, Vimeo, SlideShare, YouTube. Master handout is defined by layout of slide, slide transaction, slide formatting, layout of handout. Which is not the part of table tool in LibreOffice presentation? Splitting, border style, line style, shading. Which of the following tool enables you to add text to a slide without using standard placeholder? Text toolbox, drawing tool, auto shapes tool, line tool. Which option allows you to select line, curve, freeform or scribble tools? Draw custom path, create effect, all of the options, insert motion path. In which view we can enter text boxes? Slide view, style view, handout view, normal view. Which of the following is an easy way to apply different animations to a slide? Apply effects to the custom animation text pane. Apply animation scheme. Customize the bullet with animated clip art. All of the above. In which of the following view we can add text box? Slide view, style view, handout view, normal view. Pressing which of the following does not advance? Slideshow, ESC key, F5 key, mouse button, none of these. Which of the following menu has the background in Libre Impress? Insert, slide, slideshow, view. What is the shortcut key in LibreOffice Impress to paste unformatted text? Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus O. Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus V. None. What is the shortcut key in LibreOffice Impress for paste unformatted text? Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus V. Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Ctrl plus V. None of these. What is the maximum number of views can be added to a slide in LibreOffice Impress? 4, 2, 10, 6. By what name do you know the first slide in the presentation? Home slide, main slide, title slide, none. What is the maximum number of views you can add to a slide? 3, 2, 5, 10. What is the file extension of LibreOffice Impress? .ot, .oat, .odds, .odp. Alt plus page down key is used for which of the following effect in slideshow? Play next effect. Go to next slide without playing effects. Show previous slide. Jump to first slide in slideshow. Which is used to determine the timing on a slide in a presentation? Rehearsal, slide timer, slide timing tool, slide tool. Presentation file created in LibreOffice Impress is saved with the extension .odds, .oat, .ot, .odp. Shortcut for find and replace in presentation file created in LibreOffice Impress is Ctrl plus G, Ctrl plus F, Ctrl plus I, Ctrl plus H. Shortcut to start the presentation from the current slide is F5, F4, Shift plus F5, Shift plus F4. Master slide presentation file created in LibreOffice Impress has everything appears by default on all the slides, everything appears by default on the first slide, everything appears by default on the last slide. None of the above. Which is not a valid property of transition on slide? Variant, sound, duration, color. To jump to last edited slide in Impress use document in another text document we use shortcut keys. Ctrl plus Shift plus F4, Alt plus Shift plus F4, Alt plus Shift plus F5, Ctrl plus Shift plus F5. A new slide that contains an unordered list selected slide is called _blank. Outline slide, preview presentation, summary slide. To protect sensitive information portion content in a file in LibreOffice Impress, it is recommended to use redact, protect, react, hide. During presentation, slides can be changed _blank manually, by clicking on background, by using mouse's pen, all of the above. Which property of snap object can be adjusted in LibreOffice Impress? X position, Y position, vertical type, all the above. To revert the formatting of a manually formatted object on a slide to the style defined in the master slide, use clear, clear format, clear direct formatting, format eraser. Which is not a valid presentation mode in LibreOffice Impress? Full screen, half screen, in a window, loop and repeat. Which is not a valid paper format in Impress slide property? Length, width, height, orientation. Presentation cannot be converted to bitmap, metafile, 2D, 3D. LibreOffice Impress allows a user to macros, run, edit, organize, all of the above. Which of the following is the shortcut key to start a slideshow from the current slide? F5, Shift plus F5, Control plus F5, none of the above. Which of the following is the maximum number of handouts on one page? 4, 6, 8, 9. In presentations, which of the following can be inserted? Sound clips, movie clips, both A and B, none of the above. What is slide transition? Letters, letters, animations, visual effect in slideshow. Which option can be used to set custom timings for slides in a presentation? Slide timings, slide timer, rehearsal, slideshow setup. Is it possible to convert presentation into a video or PDF? Yes, no, maybe, can't say. Which option is used to insert the related hints of a slide? Note master, presentation master, slide master, hint master. Which of the following will not advance the slides in a slideshow view? ESC key, spacebar, Enter key, mouse button. The handout master contains placeholders for all of the following except slide number, title, footer, header. A blank is a collection of design choices that include color, font and special effects. Data, theme, table, slide. What is the shortcut key of Add New Slide in LibreOffice Impress? Ctrl+S, Ctrl+M, Ctrl+N, Ctrl+Shift+N. What is the short key for Start Slideshow? Ctrl+F5, Shift+F5, F5, F11. What is the shortcut key for Insert Text Box in LibreOffice Impress? F1, F2, Ctrl+F1, Ctrl+F2. Which shape is not there in Impress? Car, circle, square, triangle. Special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation is known as transitions, effects, custom animation, annotations. What is the maximum number of views that can added to a slide? 3, 4, 5, 6. In which menu is the slide sorter view option is available? Insert, View, Tools, Slide. What is the recommended number of slides for a presentation? 500, 10, 30, none of these. By which option we can set customs background in LibreOffice Impress? Slide transition, layout, theme, master slide. Two shapes in presentation file created in LibreOffice Impress can be connected using joint, fix, attacher, connector. How many number of menu present in LibreOffice Impress? 11, 12, 10, 9. What is the purpose of slide transitions in LibreOffice Impress? To apply predefined templates and designs to slides. To animate objects and text within slides. To navigate between slides during a presentation. To create dynamic effects when transitioning between Which feature in LibreOffice Impress allows users to add animations to objects and text within slides? Slide layouts, slide transitions, animation effects. Which type of program is LibreOffice Impress? Presentation, word processing, spreadsheet, draw. In LibreOffice Impress, by default the presentation is saved as Show 1, Presentation 1, Untitled 1, Slide 1. In LibreOffice Impress, which view contains only text? Normal view, outline view, notes view, slide shorter view. In LibreOffice Impress, the shortcut key to insert a text box is F5, F8, F3, F2. Which of the
Thanks for
following
watching.
shortcut key can be
मेहनत
used
करते
to
रहिए
close the
और सीखते रहिए।
LibreOffice window?
मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो
Control
में।
plus
तब तक
N,
के लिए
Control
गुड बाय।
plus M, Control plus Q, Control plus P. Which of the following menu is used to change the layout of a slide? Format, Slideshow, Slide, Tools. What is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink in the slide? Control plus H, Control plus K, Control plus A, Control plus M. What is the minimum zoom size in LibreOffice Impress? 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. Which of the following is the shortcut key for checking the spelling in LibreOffice Impress? F5, F6, F7, F8. Which shortcut key is used to add a new slide in LibreOffice Impress? Control plus N, Control plus M, Control plus S, Control plus T. What is the slide transition in LibreOffice Impress? Letter, a special effect used to show a slideshow. Overhead, a type of slide. Which shortcut key is used to start slideshow from first slide? F3, F4, F5, F7. LibreOffice Impress file is saved in which of the following extension? .odds, .odp, .ppt, .oat. Which of the following is a slide that is used as a starting point for other slides? First slide, master slide, minor slide, last slide. Which of the following shortcut key is used to stop the slideshow? ESC key, Control plus O, Control plus N, Control plus K. Which of the following shortcut is used to print Impress presentation? Control plus T, Control plus E, Control plus S, Control plus P. Match the LibreOffice Impress tools with their functions. Normal view, Notes view, Outline view, Slide sorter view. Used to rearrange and manage multiple slides at once. A mode where you can add presenter notes for each slide. Displays slides in a structured text format for easy editing. The default editing mode for creating and designing slides. A feature to record audio for presentation.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मेहनत करते रहिए और सीखते रहिए। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।